welcome back to today's video. It's a super special episode because we're working on some more StreetHunter parts. StreetHunter, for those who are not caught up, is our wide body aero company that we started about 2.5 years ago. We've been making tons of projects lately on the Supra, the Corvette, the 400Z, and we are finally announcing the BRZ catalog from StreetHunter. So for those who do not follow StreetHunter on Instagram, you're messing up. Follow the Instagram, it's right here. If you have a BRZ or want the new BRZ, you are in luck because here is what our stock body catalog looks like. We have everything from side skirt extensions, rear bumper caps, front lip, rear lip, front license plate delete, and we have fender garnishes as well. All these pieces are gonna be unrolling in the next month or so. Some pieces are available right now, which we're gonna show you today. This is our rear lip spoiler. It's essentially like an extended duckbill. As you guys saw, we have 3 BRZs today that are gonna get some StreetHunter parts, so I'm just super stoked on that. And we also teasered this glorious photo, which if you saw it in the StreetHunter post, that's a little Easter egg for something coming for the BRZ. I wonder what it could be. Stay tuned for that. I feel like at this point, Daniel's just moving down to San Diego because he's making so many premium model styling house calls. One of the things that we wanted to add was, you know, it's not really a part, it's more of like a vinyl decal, but we made these door cards on our renders and we're like, dude, these door cards are super sick, we should run them. So these are gonna be available for all the BRZ people out there, and I think we're gonna make them universal to other cars as well, but Daniel printed these up. And Daniel is the owner of Premium Auto Styling. For those who don't know, they make tons of vinyl products, overlays. If you have a car and you want it to look cool, whether it's wrapping your roof or tinting your headlights or taillights or just any sort of vinyl stuff, they make DIY projects that are great. You guys know Daniel. I don't need to hype him up any more than I already do. But they'll be linked down below. And he made these for us, and super stoked that he came down to support us and help get these on the cars for today. It looks so good.
It's super easy to install, took like 5 minutes, but I'm actually gonna remove this one. If you see, I kind of angled it up. I tried to install this one myself. I needed your hands, bro. Well, so it's angled up. We're gonna pull this one off and redo it, but the whole idea is to follow that line and then it kind of shoots down a little bit. I actually just ran it straight. So if you guys buy the products, don't do that.
We'll include instructions.
There you go.
I'm sure. Did you bring extras?
Yeah, I brought extra ones.
Smart man.
That's what I do, man. Come on.
So this duckbill comes in carbon fiber and FRP. I obviously went for the carbon fiber option, but currently I have no carbon fiber on the car because none of the other StreetHunter pieces have released yet. It's all this STI plastic pieces. So I kind of had an idea I wanted to be different. I painted, shout out to SOS, shout out to my boys at SOS Customs. We dropped this off, they painted this overnight, and they painted the back of it Rural Valley blue. So the whole thing kind of matches and it's all blue from the exterior, but I was like, leave the top carbon, add a little bit of spice, and rather than just leaving like a straight hard line, they actually, I don't know if we can get a close up on this, they did a really beautiful fade, and it just adds a little bit of spice. For those that are BMW boys, the E90, there used to be a thing called CSL trunks, which they were like these very rounded off circular trunk lids, and that was kind of the inspiration for this, was to give that rounded off edge and to have it be like painted on the backside so it looks factory, and then you get it from the other side and you're like, oh damn, a carbon duckbill? Sheesh.
Must not work.
Looks like...
What are you guys looking at, wings in the street?
Looks like someone's lost.
We're a little lost.
Yeah, you're supposed to be across the country?
Looking for some food. You got any?
Are you trying to get some Chick-fil-A or what?
God, you're so basic.
The Lord's Chicken? You don't like the Lord's Chicken? Damn, dude, you working for Legends Media?
New job.
Hell yeah. The
cross country to
interview. The GTR thing didn't work out?
Nah.
Bummer, dude.
I'm thinking about picking up that Fiero though.
Oh, dude, it's actually real.
Real Fiero.
Yeah, it's very real. So one of the BRZs here belongs to Chris. Chris, actually, you have a YouTube channel. Yeah. And I've seen you a lot on Instagram. I think your car has gotten a lot of attention just because it's one of like the first BRZs that's running like a Stancy Boy fitment. So shout out to you for coming down here. We're gonna be throwing some parts on his car, but what I thought would be really cool is for you to give our channel a little walk around of your car front to back. I know there's a good amount of you guys that appreciate the stance fitment and wish I would do this, so let him fulfill your wants and needs and wishes, everyone.
For sure. Yeah, so pretty much just like the rest, it's a 2022 BRZ. Right off the bat, I think one of the first things I did to the car was throw the airlift 3-piece system on it. So dumped to the ground. That was like literally one of the first things I did. I think it was like 3 days after I got it from the dealership. And once we did that, I actually had 2 different wheel setups. We had like a set of raised, but as you can see, we got the Workmeister L1s. Tried to get the fitment good. There's been a lot of trial and error, and pretty much running a little bit of camber all around. That's how I try to do a little stance theme with this car. We got like limo tints on it. JDM side markers, and that's pretty much it. All right, so I also have a first gen FRS, and that thing's like wide body, supercharged, everything. So if you guys want to see more than that, feel free to check out my channel at Chris Borges, as well as on Instagram. And yeah, I'm super excited to start working with StreetHunter. It's gonna be such a sick thing for the car, and I'm really excited to show you guys.
Dylan literally says, peel the corners and leave them like this. And TJ goes, yoop.
I misunderstood. I didn't follow the assignment. I'm quitting YouTube and I'm gonna become a full-time artist.
An artist.
Call me Jumba Beats, baby.
No, you're not. No, he's not. No one will listen to that. Jumbo Beats what? What do you think?
Little Jumba Beats, baby. Jumba Beats, holla at me.
I just got here. I'm leaving.
I'm
leaving right now. I'm pulling.
I'm like pretty flush right there. Money.
Oh, this is stuck. This is one of.
Mine's stuck too.
Like it's here.
It's grabbing on the inside here, huh?
So you,
It's yeah. Well,
You guys f***ed me. Well, so now half the tape's coming on there.
we just.
oh, wait. It's to the right, isn't it?
No, it's not. It's not. I watched you put it on.
All right, maybe it is to the left.
One of you f***ed me. Who was it?
Kevin pulled it. It wasn't me.
Ah, it was Kevin. I knew it.
I'm out.
No, I think. Well, you did pull it to the right.
I was like, you're not gonna be able to get it out past that.
Why not just send it? One of my favorite pieces that StreetHunter made was a license plate delete. Now, if you don't know what that means, the BRZ comes with this, already flat surface, threaded material. Typically, when you get a car from a dealership, they'll just get a license plate frame and they'll get a self-tap screw and they'll just plow it through the front end of your bumper and leave holes. Subaru decided, hey, I'm not gonna give anyone the option to do that. I'm just gonna force you to run threaded holes in this flat bar. And Subaru decided to add it to the new BRZ, and also with Toyota, they have the same thing, but it's kind of like underneath the nose of the car and it's like in the mesh. So both the GR86 and the BRZ both have this. So we decided to make a license plate delete. And as you can see, if you take out the hardware, there's 2 holes, and it's just a really cool place to add a little special touch. All you need is a 5 Allen wrench, and you thread in these bolts. And it's the little things, guys. I don't know why I like this so much. When I saw that this car had this, I was like, yo, we gotta make a little license plate delete. I was just so hyped on it. It's the little details that matter, and it's one of my favorite little pieces of the whole stock body catalog that I just think is pretty good looking. Now that everything's on the cars, it's time to go for a little cruise, baby. We just got back after a long day of shooting, and I don't know if I ever told you guys this, but Everything that you saw today is available now. So if you own the new GR86 or you own the new BRZ, those parts are available right now, and the rest of the catalog is soon to be rolling out over the next month or so. I've gotten a lot of questions already just on Instagram, a lot of BRZ owners and GR86 owners asking if the front lips are universal, and they are not. The BRZ lip just fits the BRZ, and then the GR86 is gonna have a similar looking lip, but they are not universal. They don't work on both applications. So we're gonna be releasing the BRZ lip first, and then the GR86. Sorry, Toyota boys, but Subaru gets priority. And all that stuff that you guys saw in today's video is all available right now. Windshield banners, door banners, rear lips, and the front license plate delete. And StreetHunter has a few more things dropping this month as well. Thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate it, as always. Peace out, and keep moving forward.